first kay yung pagka-generous, pagka-thoughtful, o pagka-sadista. Happy birthday, Anton! Wish you all the best and hope our friendship lasts to the end of time. Bye-bye.
Si Lola kay ang value of friendship, then share siya kung sa'yo na siya, then kanang jolly siya kapulog, kanang lingaw, dayon. Happy birthday la, kanang wish na ako na happy ka karon, then kanang mantag mahinga pa sa mong birthday, then more blessings to come, then ma-achieve niyo yung dream. Love you la.
Butan siya, helpful, o she has a very, very good heart. Happy birthday, Anton! I hope na happy ka sa imong birthday o happy po ka sa among little surprise. Happy birthday!
Moody, crazy, and amazing. Happy birthday, and I won't let our friendship further. And thank you for the wonderful things that you have given to me, for everything that happened between us, for the good and the bad. I hope that even if we're not that close right now, close but the school, I'll be with me. That's all.
What can I say about Antoine? She's good, nice, and sometimes moody. That's all. Happy birthday, Antoine. I don't know if I'll be on time in your birthday, but I'm pretty sure that I'll be there. I hope that you'll have a good time and good health, good luck, anything good for your birthday. Thank you.
Si Antoine, siya ang pinaka-gorgeous, seductive, and the most nicest person I've ever met. Hi, Jay. Happy 17th birthday. More candles to blow, and I hope we really can't expect you not to change because you don't know what may happen in the future. And basta, I hope you will still be the Antoine I know a year ago, and thank you for everything. Antoine is smart, beautiful, and kind. Happy birthday, Toy. Kanang may tag-happy ka, bisan kagamay na ng surprise din. Ay, ni-melt siya din. I hope nga kanang humble siya po siya, panahataon niya din. Kanang permitihon ni mo nga, kanang butan ka for me, as always din. Kanang, we love you because we love you.
Bulabog. May bukot. Amot. Pero kailangan magpalibutan ba? Kanang happy birthday, Toy. Wish you all the best. Good health, long life, action in your life. So, may sa araw sa fencing. Gumay din na itong klase. Pero pamahin ako mo. Kumain mo, kuyan ko na ito sa kape ba? Nakapilat eh. Hindi na siya itong sa gifts na ito. Salibayan ako mo. Ha?
Okay, ang first kay Publish Kauban, ang second kay Anime Lover siya, third kay Adik, maraming adik sa happy birthday, Toy. Wish you all the best and ang ganan ako niya, Toy, is bukan siya, may yung advice, but di siya mag-advice, di siya mabasa yung kaugalingan, then jolly siya. Birthday, hope nga, hindi ka mo sa jar, medyo, nanog nga, kaan, since I can see you always, I let my care be with you. Akong ganahan ni Anton is ulan siya, magyatagos o friendly. Happy birthday, Toy! Wish you all the best. Birthdays to come and stay beautiful and sexy. Be who you are. Again, not over. Sige tayo yung oras to, Toy. Basta, mo lang yan pag ikaw na. Bye.
Pagka-kalog, pagka-house mo drawing o pagka-butan. Ay nak, happy birthday. So, wish you more birthday candles to blow, then good health, love life, more blessings to come.
Beautiful, caring, and understanding birthday, and God bless.
Wow, Anton is
Annie, and Naisha Mudro. First of all, happy birthday and God bless with your everything, especially your love life.
So, Antoine is jolly, cute, and humble. Happy birthday, Antoine. I hope you all the best. Wish you all the luck in the world, and happy birthday.
Before I greet you, happy birthday, you owe me one. I haven't received the Twilight Saga and also the Harry Potter and everything. But anyway, happy birthday. Don't be ever beautiful like me. Have a boyfriend, Oy.
Hi, Antoine. Happy birthday. Tomorrow today. Tomorrow. Happy birthday, Antoine. Mwah. Wish you all the best in life. Stay beautiful and happy. God bless you always. Pag-amping kanunay.
Happy birthday.